G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 102 Derwent Terrace in beautiful New Norfolk. We're in a private, peaceful location, fully secure yard, beautiful, well-maintained gardens, a 4-bay garage, barbecue area. We've also got a studio and the home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's go in and take a look. We really are in a peaceful and quiet location, walking distance to all services New Norfolk has to offer, and we're set on over 2,000 square metres with magnificent gardens. If you'd like to know more or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.